How to add Facebook phone number. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add phone number on your Facebook account. First of all, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Then go to the search bar and search for Facebook app. If there are any updates available, then update the app. If not, go back to your home page and open Facebook app. In Facebook, make sure you are logged in to your account. From the bottom panel, go to the menu option. Now go to your profile. Now here, make sure you are logged in to your right account. Go back to menu and tap on the setting gear icon. In your settings and privacy, tap on Account Center. Inside Account Center, go to Personal Details. Here at the top, you will see the option Contact Info. If you have added your phone number, it will show right here. However, if you have not, then tap on Add New Contact at the bottom. For contact, you can add mobile number or your email address. Select Add Mobile Number. After that, enter your mobile number and verify it. Once verified, it will be added to your Facebook account. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.